Mr. Prickle Pants, we have a guest. You want some coffee? It's good for you, but don't drink too much, or you'll have to... Be right back.
Psst. Hey, hello. Hi, excuse me. Shh. Can you tell me where I am?
Shh. The guy's just asking a question.
Well, excuse me. I'm trying to stay in character.
My name's Buttercup. You've met Baron Von Shush.
Hello, I'm Trixie.
Guys, look, I don't know where I am.
We're either in a cafe in Paris or a coffee shop in New Jersey. I'm pretty sure I just came back from the doctor with life-changing news.
We do a lot of improv here. Just stay loose, have fun, you'll be fine.
No,
Who wants lunch? Beep boop, beep boop. It has a secret ingredient. Jelly beans.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
Poison? Who would do such a mean thing? Ah! The scary witch! Look out! She's using her witchy powers! I know where to hide. You'll never find us in here. What's wrong? Ah! We found us! We need a spaceship to get away from the witch!
You're doing great.
Are you classically trained? Look, I just need to know how to get out of here.
There is no way out. Just kidding. Door's right over there.
Well, cowboy, you just jumped right in, didn't you? I'm Dolly.
Woody.
Woody, really? You're gonna stick with that?
Why?
Because now's your chance to change it. New room and all. And that's coming from a doll named Dolly.
Who's the new guy? Are you a real cowboy?
Well, actually...
Of course he's not pea-brain.
Well, that's better. Well, let's just slip it on for size. Uh-huh. It is a little snug, but it'll have to do.
I found a spaceship!
Showtime!